I have a message from the President on the nomination of Professor KITHURE Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Order.
Order, members. Honorable members, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 42.1, I wish to report to the House that today morning I have received a message from His Excellency the President regarding the nomination of Professor KITHURE Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy which has occurred in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya following the impeachment of the previous office holder. Honorable members, as you are aware, Article 149